Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And we will be learning phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter U. There are two sounds of the letter U. We are going to learn the short sound, that is A sound. Umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. The sound. Urn. U-R-N. Urn. Underwater. You can see lots of creatures underwater. U-N-D-E-R-W-A-T-E-R. Underwater. Upward. U-P-W-A-R-D. Upward. Short sound of the letter U is umpire. U-M-P-I-R-E. Umpire. You can see him in cricket matches. Unzip. U-N-Z-I-P. Unzip. Sound of the letter U is urban. U-R-B-A-N. Urban. The sound. Under. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Unhappy. U-N-H-A-P-P-Y. Unhappy. Sound. U-P. Up. U-G-L-Y. Ugly. U-T-T-E-R. Utter. U-P-O-N. Upon. U-P-L-I-F-T. Uplift. U-L-C-E-R. Ulcer. U-N-K-I-N-D. Unkind. Up. Ugly. Utter. Upon. Uplift. Ulcer. Unkind. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching this video till the end.